Sure. Well, first, here's an important piece of data. The Delta variant is already making up 78% of sequenced cases here in King County, and because of reporting delays, Dr. Jeffrey Duchin with Public Health says it's likely already higher than that. This comes at the same time officials are responding to a new report from the CDC that shows the Delta variant may spread between vaccinated people more easily than previously thought.
With Washington back to indoor masks, or at least a recommendation to do so, the fight against COVID continues. The latest front, the Delta variant and rising cases.
Delta has put us in a more difficult position we were not wanting to be in at this point in the outbreak.
But Dr. Jeffrey Duchin of Seattle-King County Public Health says we will need to continue to adapt. This comes alongside a concerning report from the CDC that viral loads can be similar between unvaccinated and vaccinated people with the Delta variant, meaning both could spread it. Here in King County, Public Health is investigating an outbreak cluster from an indoor fitness center that so far yielded 16 cases in vaccinated people.
All 16 cases developed symptoms of COVID-19, but none were hospitalized. Some reported their symptoms to be very mild, and at least 5 cases have had sequencing results indicating the infection is due to the Delta variant.
Still, Dr. Larry Corey with the Hutch says this does not mean the sky is falling. The CDC report shows the vaccines still work.
And the vaccine does markedly protect against hospitalization and death.
But like other experts, he recommends layers of protection: distance, masks, and vaccinations.
I do think we should make behavior changes in masking indoors. I have since Delta started emerged. When I go into the grocery store and I go into a shopping mall, I'm putting on my mask.
Though Dr. Duchin still stops short of a mask mandate, just like the state, though he did endorse a call for mandatory vaccinations among healthcare workers.
Here is a simple truth. You are still at much higher risk right now if you are not vaccinated, especially with the Delta variant circulating. Here is some interesting data. In the last month in King County, folks not fully vaccinated were 10 times more likely to test positive, 15 times more likely to be hospitalized, and 12 times more likely to die of COVID-19. Some good news. Dr. Duchin said in the last 24 hours alone, 1,500 people have started their vaccination process. So some folks are getting this message that vaccination can save your life, especially with this variant. We're live in Seattle tonight. Michael Crow, King 5 News.